Let's look at how you can connect your Lightspeed retail POS system with your Smart Retailing website using our latest integration. Please note that once you begin this process, it must be completed fully in order for the integration to function. Previous connections to Lightspeed will no longer be available. In Site Manager, go to Settings and choose Lightspeed Settings. After reading this important message, click Connect and enter your Lightspeed credentials. An admin or manager's credentials must be used here, as the connection will sync inventory, sales, and customer information, so the user must have access to those areas. Click Authorize Application. Once the connection has completed, move on to Connect Stores. At least one Lightspeed store must be connected to a Smart Retailing location for the integration to function. But for full functionality, you should connect all locations. With your locations connected, move on to Import Settings. These settings control which mapped Lightspeed items will be imported and displayed on your Smart Retailing website. The recommended setting is to enable Balance on Hand is greater than 0 to show your in-stock products. You may also enable other options if they are applicable to how you manage your point-of-sale system. Balance on Order is greater than 0 will import and display products that you have on purchase orders in Lightspeed. And Reorder Point or Maximum Stock Level is greater than 0 will import and display products based on those values being in use. Next, you may choose to enable POS pricing. This optional feature allows you to use Lightspeed pricing levels for products displaying on your website. Your price levels from Lightspeed are displayed to choose from in each dropdown. You must select a regular price level from Lightspeed Retail. You may optionally also select a sale price level from Lightspeed Retail to include a sale price to be used on your website. In order to display a sale price, you must use 2 separate price levels in Lightspeed, and a sale start or end date must be set separately in your items. Your website can no longer use Lightspeed's price rules to set sale start and/or end dates. In order for your sale prices to be displayed, you will need to also enter a sale start and/or end date for each sale item in your website catalog. You can set those dates by going to Catalog and Your Items. Search for the items you've set sale prices for. And enter a start and/or an end date. If the sale items are meant to be on closeout, you may simply check the closeout box and save those changes. Finally, you can choose to use order exporting to send orders from your Smart Retailing website to your Lightspeed Retail POS system. Select a Lightspeed employee and a Lightspeed register to use for exported orders. Depending on your in-store workflow, you may choose to use an existing employee and register for website sales, or you may want to create a specific employee and register to use with all website orders. If you would like to also update the order status when orders are exported, you can choose that status here. Orders must be balanced before exporting to Lightspeed. Each order's balance due must be paid in full prior to export. Unbalanced orders will have a message indicating their status in both the order list and order details. Orders are exported as completed sales into Lightspeed, and orders can only be exported from your website one time. Any subsequent refunds or adjustments to orders after export into Lightspeed must be updated manually in both your website order and in Lightspeed. If you want to automatically export orders after payment has been captured, the order has been paid in full, and all items are marked as fulfilled, you can enable that here. You've now completed the setup and configuration. Be sure all of your changes are saved. Have questions, comments, or other topics you'd like us to cover in a video like this? Let us know.